Hi, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, PG and Research, Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. In this video, I'm going to explain about the concept of list and its basic operations in Python. Introduction about a list. List is a versatile data type available in Python. It is also known as sequence data type. A list is a collection of values from different data types. In array, it contain data from similar data type, but list can contain collection of data types. List elements are separated with comma. Lists are created using square brackets. Python lists are mutable, which means elements of list can be editable, updated. We can update list element or we can delete an element from the list. A list are mutable in Python. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, like array. Syntax for creating a list. List name. Elements of list is specified within square bracket. List name is student details. Elements of list is their roll number, name, age, and department. Python provide more operations to perform with the list. Here I am list out the basic operations of list. The basic list operations are listed here. len. This function is used to return length of a list. It counts how many number of elements included in that particular list. Next operation is max. This function return maximum value in the list. Function is min. This function return minimum value in the list. Sum function adds the values in the list that has numbers. Sorted returns a new sorted list. Let us see an example for these operations. A list. List name is mark. This list contains only a numeric value. Then only we have to find the sum of list. The list element. In this list, we can perform max, min, sum operations. I'm going to count number of arguments in a list. For this, I'm using len function. List name is passed as argument. To save this program as list operation. Py. Length of given list is 5. It contains 5 elements. So the result is 5. Next operation is max. In this list, maximum value is 90. So it returns 90 as a maximum value. I have to use max function to get maximum value in the particular list. List name is mark. This name is passed as argument for max function. Then run this program. maximum value 90. Next operation is min. This operation is used to find minimum value in the given list. Value in the given list. For this, we can use min operation, min function. List name is passed as a argument for this function. Execute this program. Minimum value in the given list is 43. Next operation is sum. This function return sum of all element in a given list. For this, we can use sum function. Is passed as argument for this operation. Execute this program. Sum of elements in this particular list is 311. Next operation is sorted. This operation is used to sort element in a given list. Sorted values in a list are you can use sorted function, pass list as argument, list name as argument. Sorted values are 43, 44. This function sort element in ascending order 43, 44, 56, 78 and 90. These are the basic operations are used in Python list. Thank you.